Hi, how are you today? Hi, I am fine today.
I wake up at 7. I wake.up at 7. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I 城市的变言与文化储存. I drink coffee. I drink.coffee.
I pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I pack my bag. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9. I start work at 9. I check my emails. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I eat lunch with my coworker. I eat lunch with my coworker. I feel tired in the afternoon. I drink some water. I drink some water. I finish work at 6. I finish work at 6. I go to the supermarket. I buy some vegetables. Buy some vegetables. I cook dinner at home. 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 I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV and relax. I watch TV and relax. Take a short walk outside. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10.